Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GIS and RS Depot. So now I am going to show another new video about DEM dataset, the different DEM dataset in Google Earth Engine platform. So first of all, in this time you see here in my screen, here you see the one DEM dataset in Google Earth Engine platform. Here you see the lots of DEM dataset or elevation dataset available in Google Earth Engine platform. Lots of dataset are available. So from this, I will try to discuss about something three or four uh, dataset. So let's go. So here you see the first of all, I will discuss NASA SRTM digital elevation data set. Okay, this data set NASA SRTM digital elevation data set version 4. This data set available time year of 2000. Okay, so this data set provider is NASA CGIAR. Okay, so here you see the all of the description of this digital DEM data set. So the shuttle radar topography mission SRTM digital elevation dataset was originally produced to provide consistent high quality elevation data at near global scope. Okay, so this version, wait a minute, something networking issue. Okay, so we discuss about the first of all we discuss about this data set. Here you see the merit DEM multi-hero remote improved terrain DEM. Okay, this data set available time long time available. This data set year of 1987 to 2017. Okay, the data set provider DAI. Okay, University of Tokyo. Okay, this Google Earth Engine Snapchat. So we use for the when we want to use, so we use this data set Earth Engine Snapchat. So all of the description of this data set: merit dam, a high accuracy global dam at 3 arc second resolution. Okay, that means 3 arc second resolution means 90 meter at the equator. Okay, produces by eliminating major error component from existing dam NASA SRTM 3 dam. Okay, and all of the description you see here. So here you see the band. Okay, band of this data set, only one band available for this data set in Google Earth Engine platform. Only DEM data set, that means DEM data set, pixel size 92.77 meters. Description of this band, elevation of in meters. Okay, referenced to EGM 96 Zoid model. Okay, so here you see the JavaScript code editor. If you want, you can just copy this uh, code editor, copy these codes and open in your code editor. Then when you click to the run, now you see here the okay, already all of the visualization and all of the things set uh, by default. So here you see the using this layer, elevation layer, we see here. So here you see elevation layer, we already here they are already they set visualization minimum value -3 to maximum value 18. Okay, so all of the things you see here. So from this data set, if you want to change your study area, okay, here you see the, wait a minute. So what this is the this data set. You see here, you see the inspect, go to the inspector tab. We when we inspect it, you see here the elevation image, this inspector tab show dam data set show here. So we change this value. Suppose minimum value we change here and maximum value suppose you 2000. So now we click to the run. So when you click to the run, you see here, so this data set visualization change. Okay, so I see the black color. So now we change it something, suppose 1000, and then you click the run and minimum value, suppose we select here the suppose 10 or anything. So when you click the run, you see the default visualization parameter. Wait a minute. So you see here that this visualization of this DEM data set. So now you see here this worldwide data set. So here the dam, this is the color indicate the different type of dam. When you see the this click to the white area, okay, white area, you see here the 1279 elevation, okay, high value, high altitude value here. See here in the, if you want to click this there, okay, 1489, okay. So now when you click to the this type of area, this type of color, you see here the only one 138 meter, okay. So only one band available in this data set. So if you want, you can easily use this data set in Google Earth Engine platform, and you easily make dem map in using Google Earth Engine platform, okay. So this is our one data set, and another data set we okay, we to try to reload it. Okay, this is our NASA SRTM data set. This is elevation data version 4, already I mentioned. So here you see the description, all of the description of this data set, and already you see here the band name elevation, okay. Unit is meter, minimum value the minus 444, and max value is 8,806, okay. Pixel size 90 meter, okay, pixel 90 meter. Description of this band is elevation, okay. So here you see the code editor, two type of code editor, the Google JavaScript code editor and Python Google uh, collab, okay. Python code editor available. So if you want, you can use anything, okay. For default, if you want to run it, so simply click open in our code editor. We simply remove this code and paste here, and then you click to the run. So now you see here this type of search, for example, we see, okay. So here you see the minimum and maximum value. So as a maximum is 60, so we increase this value, suppose 800 we increase, and then try to see, okay. So wait a minute. So now you see here the sense of the map visualization. Okay, so if we increase this, suppose minimum value is sense for visualization, it's not a big deal. So now you see here that change this color, okay. So if you want to say, suppose we see here the 50 to 800. So now we see on change this our value, okay. Wait a minute. If you want, you we use again this max value is change, suppose 1420. If you want, you set any visualization and check it, okay. So no problem. If we when we check the zero value, zero minimum value is zero elevation, and max value is show this type of elevation, okay. You see here the black color because we already, oh sorry, we their default map layer, we suppose we see here the elevation, okay, not slope. We see here the elevation, and then we suppose we set the maximum value with 50, and suppose minimum value this value, okay. Wait a minute. So now we see the digital elevation map of this area, okay. See when you, okay, so when you go to the inspector tab, just to click to the inspector, and this, suppose you want to check this type of area. So here you see the only, okay, layer name is solo, we change it. Suppose we set the hill shade or dem elevation, okay. So now we set this elevation and click the run. So now you see here, okay. So we inspector tab and click on this area, okay. Now you see here the elevation here the more than 1000, okay. So in this area, so if you want to change it, so wait a minute. So if you want to check this type of area, okay, we click on the inspector and inspector tab and see the result, okay, the 1300. So if you want to check this area, white color area, so hopefully it's the 14,000, okay. So this is our another data DEM data set in Google Earth Engine platform. So this is the NASA SRTM. Another data set we I did discuss. So here you see this type of data set, Copernicus DEM GLO global 30 meter digital elevation model dataset available time year of 2010 to 15. Okay, this dataset provider Copernicus, Gurartin Snapchat, all of the things. Band name is the resolution. Here you see the DEM band, DEM digital surface model, the WBM, that means the water body marks show all of the pixel. These are lots of band. FLM, filling marks, okay, ACM. So mainly we use here the DEM dataset, DEM band name. Okay, DEM, DEM. This description is digital surface model, 30-meter resolution. All of the description of this data set easily you find from this data set using Google Earth Engine platform. So if you want to use, so just you copy this data set and paste in your code editor, and you see. So here you see already I showed the three